In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Xero account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to perform a reset safely and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Xero in a desktop web browser and that you have the right permissions for the organization you want to work with. It's also smart to consider backing up any important information by downloading reports or exporting data because a reset can't usually be undone. Start on any page in Xero. Look to the top of the screen for your profile area, usually shown as your name or initials near the upper right corner. Click that to open the account menu. This menu is the quickest way to jump into your account controls without leaving your current page, and it works the same whether you're in invoicing, bank reconciliation, or settings. From that menu, select My Xero. This will take you to your account management dashboard, often in a new tab. My Xero is where subscriptions, organizations, and administrative actions live, so it's the right place to handle resets. If you don't see My Xero in the menu, you may not have the necessary role. In that case, ask a subscriber or an organization administrator to either grant you access or perform the reset on your behalf. On the My Xero dashboard, locate the organization you want to reset. Next to it, you'll see a reset option. Click Reset. In many cases, this option is available for demo organizations or trial environments, and it returns them to their original state, clearing changes so you can start fresh. Be aware that a reset is typically permanent and immediate. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully and confirm only when you're certain. If you rely on any custom settings, reports, or imported data, save what you need beforehand. Also, remember that user access and billing settings are separate from transactional data. A reset focuses on the organization's data, not your overall Xero login. Once the reset completes, return to the organization and refresh the page. You should see the environment restored to its default state. If the change doesn't appear right away, wait a moment and refresh again. If the reset option wasn't visible for your organization, it may not be supported for that type of subscription, so consider contacting your Xero administrator or Xero support for guidance. That's it. You clicked your profile name, selected My Xero, and then chose Reset. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a clean slate ready for your next round of testing, training, or setup.